In the world of automotive innovation, there are gadgets that can transform your driving experience. From safety to convenience, here are 15 must-have car gadgets available on Amazon. Welcome, folks. Today we're diving into the world of car gadgets that can enhance your driving experience. Let's jump right in. 1. Car Escape Tool. First up, let's talk about safety. The Car Escape Tool is a compact, multifunctional device designed to assist you in emergencies. It features a sharp seatbelt cutter made of high-quality stainless steel, which can swiftly slice through seatbelts if you find yourself trapped inside your vehicle. Additionally, it has a sturdy window breaker made of durable materials that can easily shatter car windows, allowing for a quick exit in life-threatening situations. With its ergonomic design and bright colors for easy visibility, this tool is a must-have for every driver's peace of mind. 2. Bluetooth FM Transmitter. Next, we have the Bluetooth FM Transmitter, a versatile gadget that combines convenience with entertainment. This transmitter connects to your car's cigarette lighter socket and wirelessly streams music from your smartphone to your car's stereo system via FM radio frequencies. Equipped with advanced Bluetooth technology, it also functions as a hands-free calling device, allowing you to answer calls with the press of a button while keeping your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. 3. Dash Cam. Dash cams have become essential accessories for modern drivers, offering an extra layer of security and accountability on the road. This compact yet powerful device records high-definition video footage of your journey, capturing every detail of your drive. With features like loop recording, G-sensor technology, and wide-angle lenses, it provides comprehensive coverage and clear evidence in the event of accidents, theft, or vandalism. Easy to install and operate, a dash cam is a reliable companion for every driver. 4. Car Vacuum Cleaner. Keep your car's interior spotless with the Car Vacuum Cleaner, a portable and efficient cleaning solution. This handheld vacuum features a powerful motor and multiple attachments, allowing you to reach tight spaces and remove dirt, dust, and debris with ease. Whether it's crumbs in the crevices or pet hair on the upholstery, this vacuum cleaner ensures a thorough cleaning every time, leaving your car looking and feeling fresh. 5. Seat Gap Filler. Say goodbye to the frustration of losing small items between your car seats with the Seat Gap Filler. This simple yet ingenious gadget fills the gap between your seats, preventing items like phones, keys, coins, and snacks from slipping into the hard-to-reach spaces beneath. Made of durable and flexible materials, it adjusts to fit most car seats and stays securely in place, providing a practical solution to a common problem. 6. Wireless Car Charger. Experience the ultimate convenience of wireless charging with the Wireless Car Charger. This innovative device uses key wireless charging technology to power up your smartphone while you drive. Simply place your key-enabled phone on the charging pad and it will automatically begin charging, eliminating the hassle of tangled cords and fumbling with charging cables. With its sleek design and fast charging capabilities, it's the perfect accessory for tech-savvy drivers. 7. Blind Spot Mirrors. Enhancing your driving safety with blind spot mirrors, small yet effective gadgets that provide a wider field of view and help eliminate blind spots. These convex mirrors attach to your side mirrors, offering a panoramic perspective of the area around your vehicle. Easy to install and adjust, they enhance your awareness of surrounding traffic, pedestrians, and obstacles, reducing the risk of accidents and collisions on the road. 8. Car Organizer. Stay organized on the go with the Car Organizer, a versatile storage solution for your vehicle. This multi-compartment organizer hangs over the back of your car seat, providing convenient storage for essential items like water bottles, snacks, gadgets, maps, and more. With its durable construction and adjustable straps, it fits most car seats and keeps your belongings within easy reach, making long drives and road trips more enjoyable and clutter-free. 9. Tire Pressure Monitoring System. Ensure optimal tire performance and safety with the Tire Pressure Monitoring System. This advanced gadget monitors your tire pressure in real time, alerting you to any fluctuations or abnormalities that may indicate a potential issue. With its wireless sensors and intuitive display, it provides accurate and timely information, allowing you to maintain proper tire inflation, extend tire life, and improve fuel efficiency. Easy to install and use, it's a must-have for any conscientious driver. 10. Car Phone Mount. Stay connected and hands-free while driving with the Car Phone Mount. This versatile mount securely holds your smartphone in place, allowing you to use GPS navigation, make hands-free calls, or control your music with ease. With its adjustable arm and 360-degree rotation, you can position your phone at the perfect angle for optimal visibility and accessibility. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a road trip, this mount ensures a safe and convenient driving experience. 11. Heads-Up Display HUD. Transform your driving experience with the heads-up display, a cutting-edge gadget that projects vital information directly onto your windshield. With its transparent display and adjustable brightness, it overlays essential data such as speed, navigation directions, and incoming calls, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road while staying informed. Compatible with most vehicles and smartphones, it's a futuristic addition to any car cockpit. 12. Car Air Purifier. Breathe easy on your journeys with the Car Air Purifier, a compact yet powerful device that cleans and freshens the air inside your vehicle. Using advanced filtration technology, it removes airborne pollutants, allergens, and odors, creating a healthier and more pleasant driving environment. With its sleek design and quiet operation, it's the perfect solution for combating smog, smoke, pet dander, and other common air contaminants. 13. Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner. Take control of your car's diagnostics with the Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner. This handy gadget plugs into your car's OBD port and wirelessly communicates with your smartphone or tablet, allowing you to access a wealth of real-time data and diagnostic information. From monitoring engine performance to diagnosing check engine lights, it provides valuable insights into your vehicle's health and helps you stay informed and proactive about maintenance and repairs. 14. Foldable Sun Shade. Beat the heat and protect your car's interior with the Foldable Sun Shade. This reflective sunshade effectively blocks harmful UV rays, reducing interior temperature and preventing sun damage to your dashboard, seats, and electronics. Easy to install and foldable for compact storage, it's a simple yet effective solution for keeping your car cool and comfortable during hot summer days. 15. Emergency Roadside Kit. Be prepared for any roadside emergency with the Emergency Roadside Kit, a comprehensive set of tools and supplies designed to keep you safe and prepared on the road. From jumper cables and a tire repair kit to a flashlight and first aid supplies, this kit has everything you need to handle common automotive issues and unexpected situations. Compact, portable, and durable, it's an essential companion for every journey, providing peace of mind and confidence wherever you go. And there you have it, folks, 15 incredible car gadgets that can take your driving experience to the next level. Check them out on Amazon and hit the road with confidence. Until next time, drive safe.